Just add hot water and your homemade poha is ready. Let me show you how to make instant poha from Poha Premix. I am taking here 2 cups of poha or flattened rice. Simply saute the poha for 10 minutes on low flame. The poha variety we are using is the thick one and not the thin one that is used to make snacks like Chivda. The poha has turned crispy. Let's take it off. Now I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add 1/4 cup of peanuts. Saute the peanuts for half a minute. Next, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Once the seeds crackle, add Asafoetida or hing. 2 green chillies chopped, 1 whole dried red chilli, 10 to 12 curry leaves. Saute this for 20 seconds. Next, 2 tablespoons of dehydrated onion flakes. This is easily available online or it can be made at home by drying onion flakes in sunlight. 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder or amchur, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix in and saute everything for another 30 seconds. Add in the poha we sauteed. Bring everything together. Lastly, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix this. The mixture is crispy and dry. Premix is ready but not before cooling down. I am taking it off the flame and letting this cool down completely. Once cooled down, you can store it in an airtight container. According to my personal experience, this stays good up to 3 months without refrigeration. Now let me show you how to use this premix. I am simply taking 1 cup of Poha Premix, and adding 1 cup of hot water into this. We will let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's take off the lid now. Soft and fluffy poha is ready. I'm topping this with some save just how I like it. So next time you're traveling or just want a quick breakfast at home, your life will be a lot easier with this ready-to-eat homemade poha. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.